Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the vlog. Big loss for the Lightning. I'm kind of reeling from that today, so I decided I needed to clear my head. There, look at that. It's just gorgeous out. That being said, we're in Okinawa, so let's play hockey. Okay, here we are. Here we go. Got the net. It's really hot, and this seems like some kind of slippery surface here. If only there was a way in Okinawa, Japan, an island in the middle of the East China Sea, that we could play hockey on ice. So we're skating in Japan, in Okinawa, on real ice. So here we are, skating in Naha with like some crazy, misty, foggy stuff. You can go ice skating in Japan. So stopping is a problem, but I think I have most of it down. Now, I haven't been on skates in 20 years. 20 years. So I'm feeling it a little bit, but it is really cool. So let me walk you through what you have to do when you get here so that you know exactly what's going on. I'm gonna come through those doors right there, and you're gonna see all these great hockey sticks right here and all these great hockey jerseys. Blue Scorpions, Ice Hockey Team Japan. Canada versus Okinawa. All right, but remember, you don't have to play hockey. You can be like this guy and just hang out. And then you look at the machine, which is like all lit up, and you just figure out where you are, like adult, plus skates. If you're a card member, it's a discount. Student, children, infants under 6 years old, if they're gonna skate. But you just put your money in, you get your ticket, and then you bring your ticket over here. And then you give your ticket to the nice gentleman here. He'll find you skates in the back. You are required, if you don't bring your own gloves, you can buy these gloves here. Like I said, here they are, 200 yen for these gloves. And I mean, the lockers are pretty, it's just a normal locker. And they're 100 yen. But on days like this, you can just put your stuff on the counter, like we did, or out on the bench. It's even give you instructions on how to put your skates on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's a great afternoon. Let's get back on the ice. So there's the nets, if you want to play hockey. So it's 17 bucks to skate, including the skate rental. They do have helmets, and they do have like little walker skates for those of you that need a little extra help. It's right off the expressway. It's exit 1. Left, 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 and you're here. It's 11 a.m. on a Wednesday. There's nobody here except us. So you can act the fool. You can fall down as many times as you want. No one's gonna judge. I gotta watch where I'm going because I'm still not, 25 years off the ice. I gotta be careful. As you can see, there's like one figure skater behind me who's gonna show me up. It's chilly in here, so if you're hot from the Okinawa summer, just come on in here and chill out for a while. So this is ice skating in Naha. They also have batting cages here, I believe, and a bowling center. A great day trip, even for a couple of hours. It's about, with the expressway, it's about maybe 25 minutes from Foster on the expressway. Okay, so remember, if you know anybody military, active duty, or spouse, give them a hug or a handshake because it ain't easy. And I will see you next video. This music they're playing, I feel like we're on a first date.
Happy Gilmore.
Happy Gilmore. Everybody listens to Ed Sheeran on the ice, holding hands.
Well, I guess it'd be better than R. Kelly.
Look, we're even wearing matching gloves. You look like Youngblood. You look like Youngblood. Please tell me you know what Youngblood is.
No.
What?